If you're hearing a weird, high-pitched noise from your AirPods, then don't panic. They're most likely not broken. It's a common problem and it comes down to problems in the settings, connection issue, or bugs in the AirPods software. In this video, I'll show you some step-by-step solutions to get this problem fixed for good. Let's get started. Solution 1. Disable enhancement features. If you're using noise cancellation or transparency mode, your AirPods may give you a high-pitched noise due to glitch. You may simply disable them to fix the problem. To disable, open Settings. If you're connected to your AirPods, it will show right up in the main settings. So just tap on it. On the noise control panel, select Off. Don't select anything else other than this. After that, try to play something and see if the high-pitched noise appears or not. Solution 2. Check for interference and background noise. That high-pitched sound can happen when you're in a windy area, or there's audio feedback from a mic being too close to the speaker, or there could be other Bluetooth devices interfering with the connection. So, you can move to a quieter spot and turn off unnecessary background devices or electronics. After that, test your AirPods again. Solution 3. Disable automatic ear detection. This feature is really useful as it disables the AirPods when it's not in your ears. But if glitches on the AirPods can cause this feature to release high-pitched noises. So go to Settings, tap on your AirPods in the main Settings menu, scroll down and turn off automatic ear detection. Once you turn this feature off, try to check the issue again. Solution 4. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods. Hopefully this time your problem will be gone, but on the off chance none of the solutions have worked, there might be a hardware issue, like a damaged microphone or internal speaker's fault. In that case, contact Apple support or visit a nearby Apple store for a hardware diagnostic. And with that, the video is finished. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.